All right, this is the GTO, and basically bought it with the house. It's got a little here and there, a lot of like checking in the paint. This door doesn't want to close, and the floorboards are rusted out. But what I don't know is, see, this has the tachometer on the left, or is that the speedometer? Let's see. No, that's the speedometer. That's the tachometer. Then you got your gauges. And it's got the clock. So I don't know. Got a new pad. Someone put a new pad at some point on. But all the ones I see online have the tachometer over where the gauges are. And also, I have the vacuum gauge that goes there. Hurst. So, it's just pretty darn beat up. And the headliner, of course, is all got holes in it. But see the power windows. The Pontiac Historic Services sent me all the stuff on this, and it does not have power windows from the factory, but these power windows look like factory GM power windows, and I would say that it was maybe a option from put on at the dealership. And it it's really dusty, got the scoop, it's got frost or cool ray tinted windows, as I'm trying to lift up there we go, lift up the hood here. So there it is. It's a 389 with the old dual piston, and someone put a GTO emblem on the firewall. Gotta get rid of that. And it's all the Pontiac color. And chrome valve covers, chrome air cleaner, that's standard. And this door over here is in great shape. And it opens and closes really nice. And there it is inside. Those Pontiac seats. Someone put little triangles in there. And got the light. But I've got all of the wiring harness. It's a complete wiring harness for the car. And it's going to have complete exhaust. This is the beginning. We're starting the load up process. We're loading it up on the trailer. First time it's seen the light of day in God knows how many years, at least 10, maybe 15, 20 years. There it is. Yeah, they're getting it ready. The Pontiac GTO. And my sister-in-law, she's up there. She's just all over this. She's excited. And they're going to use the winch, I guess, and get it right up on that trailer. I got some decisions to make. The engine supposedly runs on more than premium. It's got a high compression ratio, so that's something I got to figure out. I'm on the forums trying to see what they do, and I guess the valve seats aren't good for this new fuel either. You need hardened valve seats and all that, but we'll figure that out.